In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from the GoHenry Parent app to your Lloyds Bank account. First, start by opening the GoHenry Parent app on your device and logging into your account. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection, and if you use biometric login, that's a quick way to get in safely. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the parent account view, since that's where transfers to your bank are managed. Next, navigate to the section labeled Transfer or Move Money. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but you're looking for the area that handles moving funds out of GoHenry. This section is designed to keep things simple, and it will guide you through where the money is going. When prompted to choose a destination, select your linked bank account. From there, choose your Lloyds Bank account from the list. If you have more than one account linked, double check that you've selected the correct Lloyds account to avoid sending money to the wrong place. It's helpful to glance at the last few digits of the account or the nickname you assigned to it to be sure. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Take a second to confirm the figure is correct and within your available balance. If you see a warning about limits, it may be due to daily or transfer limits set by the app or your bank. This is normal and designed to keep your account secure. Before you send the money, review the details on the confirmation screen, look over the destination account, the amount, and any notes or references included with the transfer. This is your last chance to make changes if something doesn't look right. Once everything is correct, tap Confirm Transfer. The app will process your request and display a confirmation message. At this point, the transfer is on its way to your Lloyds account. Transfers usually arrive within 1 to 2 working days, depending on processing times. Keep in mind that weekends and bank holidays can add a delay. You can return to the app later to check the transfer status or look for it in your Lloyds account activity once it clears. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and confidently move money from your GoHenry Parent app to your Lloyds Bank account.